My name is Alex McPherson, and I run the research division of Lupine Research, and we work on manufacturing methods and material science trying to address cutting-edge manufacturing.
My name's John Francis, and I work at Lupine Research, and I run the automation division. My primary focus is on using AI and machine vision for automated quality control.
We've worked on glass sintering as well as non-stick coatings for medical devices for large OEMs. The laser equipment that we currently own is a way of being able to create really tight traces for many markets, including medical. Magnetron sputtering is a process we do a lot here. You can do hard coatings to make something harder, or conductive traces to make something conduct in a very high resolution way that you can't really do via other methods such as thick film or laser ablation.
Machine learning is what we call when we use a piece of software to train a piece of software. We use the machine to minimize the error. This is a very rich field. We're just at the surface.